In this video, we will discuss turning on and off the software update icon on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. The software update icon displays when an update is available for the control pad. Note, when disabled, the software update icon will still appear when a critical update is available. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then go into the Settings menu. Select Diagnostics. Scroll down to Software Update. Choose Icon Display. Here you can enable or disable the software update icon. Press Select to save your setting. Note that this setting is only saved for the current Dr. A-B profile. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.